what are the other sources of salespeople? The sources of salespeople would can be peoples with the company, maybe from the other departments. Usually, the front office, reservation staff are usually the largest source of being a salesperson, because they are always dealing with the clients. They understand the operations, they understand the products, they normally get the training on upselling, so it's easier for them, natural for them to become a salesperson in the future. You may also want to look at the competitors, your competing hotels, other industries as well, non-competing companies, so that you can check, you can always have a fresh talent in your company. You may want to look at educational institutions, on the job trainees you can hire from the campuses. You can do the advertisement in newspaper, social media, LinkedIn is again a very good source of professional peoples. Whenever you are sharing any job posting, it gets a lot of resume, and since they are from the LinkedIn, you can always see the credentials, what are they doing professionally, are they contributing, what kind of leaders are they, so it's easier to select. And finally, the last choice is professional recruiters. If you're not able to find your required person from any of the other source, professional recruiters are again another source. Why professional recruiters are the last source? Because it costs money to hire professional recruiters. It costs money to do the advertisements. The rest of the four steps within the company, competitors, non-competing companies or educational institutes, normally does not require direct commission or fees to find the person, but it requires efforts and time to find and locate the peoples. So these are the sources of finding potential sales peoples. Now let us look at what are the factors that we need to consider in evaluating what kind of sources do we need. Nature of the product, nature of the job that we need, nature of the market. Promoting from within is usually the most of the companies value, that they are going to promote from within. Sales training provided by the company, then personal needs of the company, and also the success of the success in the past. So what route you are going to take would depend on these factors, but usually you have to see what are the generally being in the past, what were the successful behaviors. You can see if you have star recruits, star team members, how did they join the company, where did they come from, did you hire them directly, did they come from other departments within the same company, did you hire them from competitors, so that you can have an idea of what would be the good source of candidates.